Bleh. Okay, now start recording. Hello guys, this is a classic Xander DW2 special.
Hello,
with a few of my friends. So today we are doing the vending machine only challenge. It is a very emotional challenge. We'll just start. So basically, what I can do is I can get keys and like keycards and that stuff, but like the only I lost my willy, okay? But the only items I can get is from like vending machines, but except for keys and keycards. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Did you guys like allow audio? Is that allowed, guys? Yeah. Did you allow audio? Bleh. I'm pretty sure that both of you can hear. Okay, hold on.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I'm doing the moonwalk. I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you on the screen. I'm going to turn both of your volumes to like 200. It's probably a bad idea for Daxton, but I will do it anyway. Don't scream, please. I'm turning both of your volumes to 200. I probably should have done this before, but you know, I'm just an unprepared boy. There we go. So, right, got me lampy wampy. Oh no, I forgot. I can't get any other items except for vending machine items. Except for key cards and keys. What? I literally can't get any items, so I'm probably not going to save you guys because it's kind of funny. Are we all doing the challenge, or is it just like? Is it...
The passage is open.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm still not going to do it. You guys going to do the crowbars, but I'm just not going to literally do anything. So I'm just going to collect loads of coins from like these cupboards. This is bastard. We have a tree. Ah!
Here's a flashlight.
Yeah.
Here's a flashlight.
Here's a flashlight. Bleh! Right stick. Level 2. Were you there already? Okay. Okay, this is actually the this is the definition of bastard. Oh, it definitely is. Wait, I saw Marcus Badder in the number 1 area, it's just disguise. This is blackout. This is blackout. This is so blackout. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm not allowed items on it. Oh yeah. I probably should have been scout for this challenge, shouldn't I? I probably should have been scout for this. Oh well. I need to find a key to just absolutely throw it in. I'm sorry, I can't save you because. Oh really? Where's your body? Okay, I'm just gonna hide. If that's okay. Blackout's fucking blind. Okay. Content farm. Blackout, we do it for real out here. You can kill me, okay? Benjamin. Oh, okay. Throwing. Okay. Daxton, you fucking monkey. Why do you say that out loud? Like, bleh, bleh. I'm trying to keep it on the. I'm trying to keep it on the down low. I didn't want Blackout to know. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can't have crowbars. Can I? Shush, monkey. Me and my monkey. I wanted to like secretly save someone living clutch. Right, I am gonna visit something very special to me in my heart. Okay. Oh, that was close. Shush, what? And now he knows I'm.
Oh my god! Oh!
Keycard save, because it's vending machine only. And keycards and keys. On my days, vending machine only challenge save. I'm gonna. Oh, bastard. Oh shit. I need to buy something from the vending machine. Sorry, I gotta get a quick Pepsi. Don't mind me. Okay, I'm gonna buy. I don't care what I'm buying. Milk. I don't care. Do quickly. Okay, bleh. Oh shit. Oh no. Okay, well I have something to throw at least because I bought it from the vending machine.
No. Wait.
Oh, you got it. I swear if this Benjamin bastard doesn't save me. Is it?
Different flipping likes and different flipping. You're a donut. You're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're stupid. Dumb.
This guy is a red badge and is he?
An hour later.
These guys love to. No.
2,000 years.
This is amazing.
The old narrator got tired of waiting.
Okay, this is probably going to be like the time lapse resume or something, because that was painful. I don't know if that's going to be a time lapse or like a transition. We're all yawning now. That game was gone down to like, bruh, that took years off my life. But okay, time to resume the vending machine only challenge, because I actually.
You stole my heart.
You saw it on the loading tips. Detective is called Enzo. Don't step on that. Finch. Blair. Absolutely Blair. I got a number 1 keycard, so I can throw it at any time. So that's just like a throwing item, which is nice. Oh, is that a number 2 back there? I know it's vending machine only and keycards only, but I had to pick up the kettle because it was in the wet, so it'd be clear. That's only fair. It's this guy. He's outside the number 2 area. He's a reg neighbour. Outside the number 2 area. Please help. Please, blackout. Vending machine only challenge and keycard and keys only challenge. Is someone getting caught? Blackout, why don't you say anything? Where's my number 1 keycard? Where's my number 1 keycard? Oh god. Oh no. I don't think Blackout's following the vending machine only challenge, but I'm fine with that. So I was gonna say, where's my number 1 keycard? What, Daxton? Oh no. Where's my number 1 keycard? I don't know where my number 1 keycard is. I don't know. Where's my number? I need to buy something from the vending machine right now. I have no coins. No, you have to buy. I mean, if you want to follow the challenge truly, you have to buy something from the vending machine or key or keycard. Yes. Okay. What number? Where are you? You can use it. What bastardry? You get caught. What? This is bastardry. Where is he?
Oh my god!
Juke, did you see that juke? Did you drop the... Oh yes, you dropped the keycard. Okay, so I could use this as a weapon. I could use this as a lethal weapon. Okay. He's probably going to come to the stone after this.
O'clock midnight.
In the secret neighbor theme song! Oh. Oh shit, he's gonna come round here, isn't he? Shit. Right. Oh yes, okay, hold on. I'm gonna make a mad dash. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Hide behind the vent. Hide behind the vent. Did they patch hiding behind the vent? I don't know. Hide behind the fucking sign. Hide behind the sign. Yes. Where is it? Did he think he see me? Did he think he sees me? Did he think he sees me? A what? A bastardry. Okay.
Boring.
I allow myself the gun if I find that. If I ignore the gun, right, I've got to break the wind. Am I really there? I want to stay true to the challenge. What was that Jaws sneak attack?
Hey, look! Silence! I can't take this shit no more.